So I sat down with myself and I thought about this particular question, that had I been joining an MBA program currently, what would it be? What would it be that I would actually want to know before joining the MBA curriculum? ठीक है कि मेरे को थोड़ा सा preparation में help हो जाता था. So I've divided that particular task into 3 parts. Okay. The first part is reading. Second part is identifying. What to identify is what I'll tell you. And third part is to polish what you can polish. Okay. So first of all, we'll take it in the ekdam utmost importance, reading. Okay, why is reading important? Because from your case studies to your corporate competitions to even like any research that you're doing for any particular project in class, okay, to even say any internship ka project that you get, reading will become an integral part of what you do. Okay, no, so your reading speed is going to be, it's going to matter a lot in the coming future, especially in the next 6 months is going to matter a lot. Okay, so if at all you are that student who was not reading up until now and who got into the college without reading a lot of say current affairs right now, then I would urge you all to take up reading newspapers right now. This is the best time. Okay, and currently क्या हो जाएगा कि based on what you all are interested in, right? Say if you are interested in finance, then you can actually align what you read, the content that you're consuming in accordance. Okay, similarly अगर marketing पढ़ रहे हो तो उसके material पढ़ो. ठीक है, ET brand equity is something that I push a lot, right? They have news oriented to marketing. Okay, so reading, first of all, news, very important. Why else is it important? Say if in corporate competitions you get a particular problem statement, right? Aligning it with something that is currently going on is also very important. ठीक है, अगर मैंने बोला Amazon का corporate competition का problem statement है that we want to establish a marketplace for farmers का inputs. What are farmers inputs? Seeds, your fertilizers, pesticides. This is actually Amazon is का last year का what do you say problem statement. Okay, so if that is the case, then how do you go about it? Okay, now there are 3 ways to go about to know what exactly or how exactly you would be going about it. Number 1 is one of your team members actually has some agricultural background, nothing like primary research, that would definitely cover some of the other aspect, but tumhara bhi to perspective hai, right? So to cover your perspective, you would have to read a lot, right? You'd have to read the current affairs, you'd have to read what the governments are ruling, what policies have the government rolled out, if there has been some drastic shift in the recent past. This is just one example. Similarly, aap HUL ka Lime le lo, that is also one big corporate competition. Okay, now for HUL Lime also they would ask you to come up with a sustainable idea, right? So if the sustainable idea is pertaining to some particular issue that is already being covered in newspapers, then it adds that much more value. Fair? Okay, that's why reading news becomes utmost importance for now. Okay, get into the habit of reading news. Economics के बारे में पढ़ो, इकोनॉमी के बारे में पढ़ो, इंडियन इकोनॉमी के बारे में, ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी के बारे में पढ़ो कि वेयर आर वी मूविंग राइट नाउ. इन्फ्लेशन अभी काफी रेलेवेंट हो जाएगा, तो उसके पर्टेनिंग काफी कुछ क्वेश्चंस हो सकते हैं, राइट? In interviews also, that is something where they would start asking you your opinion about, right? Opinions are not formed overnight. Opinions are formed over a substantial number of days or months, okay, over an extended period. So that's why I want you to get into that habit to get an upper edge. Okay, interviews में upper edge निकालना इतना सॉरी शॉर्टलिस्टिंग में upper edge निकालना आपके CV के ऊपर है. ठीक है, आपके CV के ऊपर भी क्या काम करेंगे we'll discuss आगे जाके next slide में. But other than that, once you manage to get that particular short list, then you should be able to convert it. That's why reading becomes important. Reading news becomes important. What else will you be reading? MBBs, all the MBBs, McKinsey, Bain, BCG have their apps on Play Store. Okay, go on the Play Store, download their apps. They have extensive research, they have extensive papers on topics that are very very hot currently. ठीक है, work from home के ऊपर उनका 15 पेज का कोई आर्टिकल होगा. ठीक है, get into the habit of reading those, because not everyone is doing that. Okay, that is something where it becomes important. Now, next concepts. So if you are from marketing background, okay, STP, अपने STP 4P कर लिया अब तक. Now you need to read about more types of marketing. Experiential marketing क्या है, ठीक है, different types of strategy देखो, case studies देखो, ठीक है, CSR activities देखो. That next point that actually brings me to dream company also. Now what happens is, dream company के बारे में कैसे पढ़ेंगे, आप अपने कॉलेज का देखो सबसे पहले प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट, and which is that particular company in the domain that you want. If you have that clarity, okay, which is that particular dream company that you want to get into. Says say मुझे इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग करना है, ठीक है, एंड एक पर्टिकुलर ड्रीम कंपनी है मॉर्गन स्टैनली. अगर मुझे मॉर्गन स्टैनली में जाना है, एंड द कैंपस इन विच आई एम गोइंग टू गो इन, मॉर्गन स्टैनली इज एक्चुअली देयर, okay, they actually come to recruit. Then what I'll do is, I'll look at the last couple of deals that Morgan Stanley has done in the recent past, big deals, okay, and वो deals का फिर मैं पेपर्स देखूंगा, एमसीए में जाके उसके पेपर्स निकालना है मुझे, ठीक है, एंड उसके अंदर फिर बाद में मैं उसका रिसर्च करूंगा. मॉर्गन स्टैनली के साइट पे जाके मैं उसके लास्ट 5 डील्स के बारे में पढ़ने लगूंगा, ठीक है. दैट्स हाउ यू प्रिपेयर फॉर योर ड्रीम कंपनी. So your why Morgan Stanley answer also enriches simultaneously. Similarly, if you want to get into marketing, right, you go on HUL site or whichever is your dream company, you go on P&G site, you look at their new products, you look at their product what kind of narrative they are creating with their product, you look at their CSR activities. Okay, CSR activities are very important for marketing companies, and overnight याद नहीं होते, बहुत ज्यादा एक्सटेंसिव होता है उनके एक्टिविटीज. ओके, सो दैट इज समथिंग वेयर योर प्रेप कुड स्टार्ट ऑलरेडी. सो अगर वो ड्रीम कंपनी का शॉर्टलिस्ट आया भी ना, तो वो आपको कन्वर्ट करने में इजी पड़ जाए, ठीक है. दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई रियली विश्ड आई डिड even before entering the college, okay. And at least in FMS, it used to be that you get to choose 2 SIGs. So SIGs would be your interest, topic of interest or vertical of interest. So my first SIG at some point was finance, because finance में मेरा shortlist आ रहा था, and second SIG was consulting, ठीक है. So consulting, because my 12th का marks weren't up there, and I figured that optics are very important for consulting, and that's why they are not giving me shortlist, ठीक है. Even then I had prepared for it, because कोई company आ जाएगा finance में, देख लेंगे कुछ भी. I had prepared for it, and I had not actually prepared for Amazon, okay. But for finance and consulting का prep करते करते it was so holistic that Amazon का prep को इतना time नहीं लगा, and 2 days में वो prep हो गया when the 2 days before the company came to campus, okay. So that is where you need to get into the habit of reading news, concepts and dream company, ठीक है. Similarly, for product managers, what you can be reading is online. There are a bunch of books. Also, I could be making a list of books that actually is recommended by Microsoft once the interns get into the company, or once the interns get a PPO. They even send a bunch of books to their houses, okay, for them to read to become a better product manager. So those books are also something that you can get a head start on. Okay, not just that, online on YouTube, there would be a barrage of materials. You just have to type it out. Okay, so that's something where you need to really cover your time. Reading में आप अपना time bifurcate करो. News को एक similar to what I used to actually recommend earlier, it still stands. News अगर मैं consume करने जाऊंगा तो पूरा दिन निकल जाएगा. That's why what you need to do is allot a specific time slot for news. उसके अलावा आप बाकी का बुक्स पढ़ो, कॉन्सेप्ट्स पढ़ो, अपने ड्रीम कंपनी के बारे में पढ़ो, आपका कॉलेज का प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट देखो, ठीक है. दैट्स व्हाट्स इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू आइडेंटिफाई, फॉर यू टू स्ट्रेटेजाइज बिफोर इवन एंटरिंग द कॉलेज, okay. Now another that brings me to another point, that some of those books, yes, a product manager ka you're talking about, Bhavini. Just guys, give me a second. Okay, so I'll continue. Bhavini, I'll get you the list of those books. Don't worry. Okay, so there are two companies that I've actually properly followed, Media.net and Microsoft. So those two companies actually have a recommendation list. So I can just forward it to you all, and you all can choose whichever book you all want to start reading in, and can take it forward. Okay. Now reading clear हो गया. What क्या पढ़ना है आपको, क्यों पढ़ना है, कहाँ पे allot करोगे time, ठीक है? I hope this is clear with respect to एक company aspect हो गया, news आपका current affair आ गया, and concepts हो गया, ठीक है? अभी concepts also why I'm saying is initially when your induction is going to be happening, right? The senior team, this senior batch of your college is just going to be covering the basics, okay? And no company really expects you to know a lot right now, okay? Trust me, the final interviews are much more technical than the summers का interview. ठीक है? So अगर अभी से थोड़ा head start आ गया ना, तो summers का interview you will be able to create that impact in the interview. Okay? Any specific newspaper or magazine? I'll tell you what I used to do. I used to follow Mint. Mint works like a charm, and since I had sales experience, so I thought marketing का शायद shortlist आ सकता है. That's why I was still reading brand equity simultaneously. What I used to do is I used to maintain my Excel sheet that I've repeatedly talked about. एक Excel sheet रखते थे, उसमें three columns होंगे. First column में headline of that particular news article, second column में link of that particular news article, and third column में उसका थोड़ा सा summary. ठीक है? So later on, when I'm before my interview, when I just want to go through news, I don't go through newspapers. I just go through this particular material because एक narrative भी create हो रहा है. I start understanding what kind of news I've been covering, okay, what kind of news I've been consuming, and that helps eventually. And अगर आपको summary पढ़ के नहीं समझ रहा है तो आप link पे click कर दो and चले जाओ. Similarly, मैंने FinShots के लिए भी एक separate link बनाया था of all those interesting articles that I would find very helpful. ठीक है? So FinShots is also something that you should be reading. Mint एक consider कर लेना. Brand equity तो I've always said. Let me just check my phone. I still have that particular folder which says FMS material. FinShots हो गया. McKinsey I have, ET Retail I have, ET CIO, Bain Insights, and HBR INT Mobile. Okay. Mint, ET Brand Equity, FinShots, McKinsey, Bain Insights. McKinsey and Bain Insights, guys, trust me, great articles they have. Do definitely check it out. You honestly, you never know कौन सा आर्टिकल, कौन सा आपने कुछ पढ़ा, आपके इंटरेस्ट का कब काम आ जाए. ठीक है? कोई जीडी में काम आ जाए, कोई इंटरव्यू में काम आ जाए. एक होलिस्टिक अप्रोच के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. Let's go into next one, identification. So actually, even before vertical of interest, identifying your competencies and strengths is very important. Yeah. Just give me a second, guys. Chalo, perfect. Ketan bhai has also joined. So now identification of competencies and strength. Okay. Now, why did I put this up there? Even something that you need to do even before joining your college is because a lot of times introspection is something which is required. I'm sure your HR answers must be in place currently. Okay. But what happens is, abhi tak whatever answers you were preparing for were for professors of the particular college. Okay. So if you wanted to get into IIM Calcutta, IIM Lucknow, whichever, आपने जो भी answers why finance or why a particular company that you want to work in, जो भी आपने prepare किया था, that was pertaining to a particular professor. Now it's more company oriented. Okay. And trust me, it's a little more difficult to faff your way around this. So that's why knowing your competencies and knowing your strength, a little bit depth ka introspection becomes a little more important. Okay. So say why finance ka your locus of drive should not just be on, okay, I'm a numbers person and I'm mathematically oriented. That's not going to be, flying anymore. So identify your competencies and create a narrative with respect to वो competency बनने में आपका कितना over time investment गया है. So say if you are saying that you are analytical, create a narrative in what different stages of your life you have exuded being analytical. Okay, that's what's very much required right now. So you need to sit down with yourself and write down 5 of your strengths or competencies and think about different scenarios where you actually believe that you have displayed this. If you don't have those, then make a story. And this is the right time to write stories, because trust me, next 4 months you're not going to have time to sit down and actually think about. Even if you do have time, you'll be too tired and you'll be prioritizing sleeping over creating stories. Okay, so currently it would be the best time. Now vertical of interest, now what happens is, even if you don't have that much clarity with respect to what you want to do eventually, okay, कि मुझे marketing में जाना है या eventually मुझे finance करना है या नहीं करना है, ठीक है, you still have some idea if you want to be an analytical role, at least finance में जाना है या general management करेंगे, अगर कुछ भी idea नहीं है तो, ठीक है, कुछ तो आपको knack होना पड़ेगा, because otherwise what happens is no one is expected to prepare for each and every vertical. Okay, I had actually asked my senior that, see, listen, I am interested in finance because CFA to hai. Consulting is something that is really, luring me, because case studies, case problem solve करना बहुत मजा आ रहा है, ठीक है, but I think marketing का मुझे shortlist आएगा. A senior directly told me, you try to do the prep for all 3 verticals, but it's not feasible, it's not going to happen. He outright told me, and that actually becomes a reality. Okay, so that's why narrowing down with respect to what works and what doesn't work should be कि क्या स्कोप में रखेंगे. Even if you don't have your answer कि मुझे फाइनेंस ही करना है या मुझे कंसल्टिंग ही करना है या मुझे मार्केटिंग ही करना है, you at least need a spectrum. Okay, ठीक है, मुझे I am an analytical person, right? So maybe I would be better at data, right? So maybe data analysis करने के लिए maybe like being in the product side of things would be important, because for product side of things you need to understand the data inputs from the customers, what exactly or how exactly are they working, what are the behaviors, right? What are the mannerisms, and उसके basis पे आपका future of the product decide होगा, ठीक है? If that is something that you want to do, तो वो एक आ गया. दूसरा, now data oriented role है marketing. Marketing is no longer a creative role. ठीक है, completely driven by data right now. You can ask each and every senior from your college, and that is something that they will be backing up. Okay, so similarly, vertical of interest, another way of figuring this out is talking to people from your college. Okay, maybe these could be people who have already passed out, these could be people who are currently seniors. Okay, so even before joining, get in touch with them, just have a word, just have talk to them. Okay, but right now is the time to talk to people and try to figure out if you've not figured it out. And if you say that मैं फाइनेंस वाला बंदा हूँ लेकिन मेरे प्रोफाइल में कुछ भी फाइनेंस का नहीं है, ठीक है, then take cognizance of that fact. Prepare for finance, nobody is denying that. Prepare for finance, but also look at your CV, talk to seniors and try to understand what sort of roles or what sort of shortlist you will be getting, and your second SIG should be that particular topic. ठीक है, simple सा logic है. Okay, definitely do that. कुछ नहीं है, ये आपका प्रेप. अगेन स्ट्रैटेजी से आप जाओगे, थोड़ा अप्रोच करोगे तो नैरो डाउन होगा, नहीं तो आप सब ट्राई करने जाओगे, डाइल्यूट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, देन 4th डे 5th डे ऑफ समर्स तक बैठे रहोगे एंड मोरल डाउन होता जाता है. ठीक है, everyone like sitting in the final placement, अभी जिनको भी जॉब लग गया होगा उनको पूछ लो, नहीं बैठना है उनको 2 दिन के ऊपर, 1 दिन के ऊपर तो नहीं ही बैठना है वो प्लेसमेंट वीक में. ठीक है, अगर बैठ भी गए तो इट टेक्स a certain strength for you to just sit down and sit for those interviews, and interviews also keep getting very hectic. Okay, you need to take cognizance that ye next 4 months you are just preparing for that 1 week. Okay, or however, whatever structure you all have, different colleges have thoda different structures. Like Ahmedabad, I think, has a cohort system. ठीक है. Right now I think FMS is also starting to follow that cohort system, but ये साल उन्होंने final placement के लिए किया था. But for summers they had a week, they have the placement week. Okay, so talk to seniors. If even before getting into the college, talk to some people. Alums हो सकते हैं, कोई भी हो सकता है, कोई दूसरा कॉलेज का भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, आपको क्या वर्टिकल ऑफ इंटरेस्ट फाइंड आउट करना है ना फिलहाल. ठीक है, वाई अभी मैं इसका ट्रेड ऑफ बताता हूँ. आपने कोई और कॉलेज से बात किया तो आपको एक ऑब्जेक्टिव तो मिल जाएगा, ऑब्जेक्टिव ओपिनियन. बट आपने आपके ही कॉलेज से बात किया ना, कोई सीनियर से बात किया, तो आपको क्या मिलेगा ना कि शॉर्टलिस्ट कहाँ से आएगी. ठीक है, बिकॉज क्या होता है कि कोई कोई कंपनीज आते हैं, एक कोटा लेके आते हैं. ठीक है, कि ये पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज से हमको 5 लोग उठाना है. ओके, बट अगर वो 5 लोग फर्स्ट डे में सारे कंसल्टिंग में निकल लिया, टेक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट फॉर एग्जांपल, सेकंड डे यूजुअली आते हैं कोई भी कॉलेज में, तो फर्स्ट डे में उन्होंने 5 लोगों को शॉर्टलिस्ट किया, वो 5 लोग कंसल्टिंग में निकल लिए. Now those 5 people are not no longer available. Now placement team will be working towards it and get them 5 alternatives. ठीक है, so for you to be even a consideration, the seniors or the placement team need to know that this particular candidate is actually good at product management, because for them y'all are just numbers, binary numbers. If y'all are unplaced, you're 0. If y'all are placed, you're 1. Okay, so they are working with probabilities. तुम्हारा अगर prep अच्छा होगा तो वो आपको ज्यादा probable मानेंगे कि ये convert करेगा. करेक्ट है, तो जब जैसे ही कोई मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दिखता है प्लेसमेंट वालों को, तो वो आपको डाल देंगे. ठीक है, this is why it's important to talk to them. This is why it's important to actually take the prep seriously in front of them, because end में वो ही याद रखेंगे. ठीक है, so identify vertical of interest. how discuss हो गया, as they don't have anything related to MBA in their CV. विशाल, again talk to seniors, try to आपका CV एक कुछ तो बेसिक होगा. that's why I'm talking about polish now. polish में CV जो रहेगा ना, आप अभी पॉलिश करोगे. ठीक है, वो CV को अभी एक नैरेटिव था, हर एक लाइन में जो भी आप लाइन लिखोगे, व्हाट यू डिड एंड व्हाई यू डिड इट का नैरेटिव होता है. ठीक है, सो आई डिड XYZ टू अचीव XYZ परसेंटेज ऑप्टिमाइज परफॉर्मेंस और समथिंग. ठीक है, दिस इज एवरी पॉइंट का मैंने पॉलिशिंग ऐसा किया इवन बिफोर ज्वाइनिंग द कॉलेज. नाउ ये एक रफ सीवी जो है, वो आप सीनियर्स के पास जाके बस अप्रोच करोगे एंड बोलोगे देखो यार ये मेरा सीवी है. ठीक है, इसके किस किस वर्टिकल में चांसेस है मेरे को शॉर्टलिस्ट आने के. ठीक है, they are the only ones who can actually tell you. ठीक है, नहीं तो अगर बाय चांस आपके पास कोई प्लेसमेंट सेल वाला, एक्स प्लेसमेंट सेल वाला होगा, तो उसके पास आप जा सकते हो, बिकॉज करंट प्लेसमेंट सेल के पास तो आप नहीं जा सकते, वो नो होता है. ठीक है, ये सारे रूल्स तो आपको इवेंचुअली पता चलते जाएंगे. नाउ पॉलिश योर HR आंसर्स एंड व्हाई डोमेन आंसर्स. ओके, एज आई सेड, it is difficult to faff around with companies. Companies have a little more refined gut, because a college, the professors are creating the ecosystem for the classroom. But what the company is doing when they are coming down to take an interview is trying to get people on board to run business. So the gut, the instinct that they have is very different, and it's very difficult to give them any bullshit. Okay, so that's why work ekdam precisely on your HR answers, because they will know and they will call you out on your bullshit. Do not just go ahead with your college wala answer. Sit down and uska avenue socho कि इसके ऊपर मुझे backlash कहाँ आ सकता है, because quite often एक hobbies के एक word पे भी 45 minutes का interview निकल सकता है. ठीक है, तो HR answers तो you have so many opportunities to actually grill you. ठीक है, so that's why HR answers is something that you need to again work on. And I constantly keep telling people, Amazon का 14 principles जो है, they holistically cover all the HR scenarios. हर एक principle के लिए एक story लेके आओ. Okay, अगर होगा life में story तो सही है, अगर नहीं होगा तो बनाओ. This is the time where you can actually sit down and make a story and think about it in depth. कि अगर उन्होंने वो story पे grill भी किया तो you can still defend it. Okay, so this is the time where you can actually polish it, work on that 14 principles, and वो done है. HR Amazon का भी interviews, those who want to get into Amazon, right, other than the product cases, the 14 principles are it. They will sail you through, and I please urge you all to vet these answers once you all are in the colleges. Vet these answers get these answers vetted by the seniors. Okay, वो भी आपको team allot होगा, that I'm not worried about. Now, why domain answers also? As I keep repeating it, your locus of drive cannot be something which is just, you know, your interest. Okay, it cannot be that small. It needs to be a little more invested. अगर तुम मार्केटिंग के इंटरव्यू में बैठे हो तो तुम्हारा नैरेटिव ऐसा होना चाहिए कि बचपन से you have been made to get into marketing, even if that was not the role that you wanted. Because think about what you are doing currently. अगर आप मार्केटिंग के इंटरव्यू में बैठे हो, you are basically taking away someone else's opportunity. ठीक है, अगर आपने वो कंपनी में अप्लाई भी किया है और आपको मिल गया है, आपको नहीं भी चाहिए, आप वो इंटरव्यू दोगे, ठीक है। एंड वो पॉइंट पे भी ना प्लेसमेंट वीक में भी ऐसा हो जाता है कि यू डू नॉट केयर अबाउट योर एसआईजीज एट दैट पॉइंट, यू जस्ट वांट टू गेट इन। ओके, सो व्हाई डोमेन आंसर्स, यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर 3 एसआईजीज का कर लेना, व्हाई डोमेन आंसर प्रिपेयर जस्ट इन केस। अगर फाइनेंस तुम्हारा टॉप प्रायोरिटी होगा तो फाइनेंस का पहले प्रिपेयर करो, देन कंसल्टिंग का प्रिपेयर करो, एंड देन थर्ड वाला जो भी आपका होगा वो सेफ साइड कर लेना, ठीक है। थर्ड वाला का इंटेग्रिटी आई कैन स्टिल एक्सेप्ट एट सम डिसेंट लेवल, बट फर्स्ट टू नीड्स टू बी एट द ए गेम। ओके, जो फर्स्ट 2 वाला एसआईजीज होगा, फर्स्ट 2 इंटरेस्ट वाला आपका टॉपिक होगा, उनका वाई डोमेन आंसर शुड बी लाइक यू नो A1 आंसर्स होना चाहिए उसका, ठीक है। नो कॉम्प्रोमाइज होगा।